Hello and welcome to today's video. Today's video is another photo walk, and this time I'm taking a winter walk around the Bellevue Botanical Garden on a dreary January day. Before we get into the photos, I'd first like to share a message from today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is me and this channel. And I'd like to share just 3 quick thoughts, 3 quick and easy ways, and free, that you could really help support this channel. So the first thing you can do is like this video and the other videos that you watch. What that does is it tells YouTube about videos that you think are worthy, so it kind of is helping train the algorithm to show you more videos of similar content. The other thing it does is it signals YouTube that this video might be worth some more attention. So that's a big help. The second thing you can do that is a big help to this channel is comment on a video. Share your thoughts. Let me know what you think, good, bad, or different. If you have suggestions to make it better, things you liked, that's a huge help. And actually that is a great way for the algorithm, the YouTube brain, to be aware of, hey, people are talking about this, and then it kind of bubbles up more for other folks as well. And then the last thing you can do that is also cheap and free and easy is subscribe to this channel. As more and more people are subscribing, it exposes me to more and more people. I hope you'll consider doing 1 or all 3 of those little tasks for each video. The more you do that, it's a huge help to this channel, helps it grow, helps other people be aware of it, and that's part of this journey, which I'm looking forward to. So thank you. On to the photos. So there you have it, some photos from Bellevue Botanical Garden on a dreary January day. As you saw in those photos, something interesting, I think, is that in the midst of the scraggliness of a winter garden, there's still some really interesting photos to be found. Winter has its own textures, its own look. So one of the things I really enjoy in photography is visiting a place multiple times throughout the year and finding how it changes, the different looks it has at different times of day, different atmospheres, different seasons, and finding new and interesting photos along the way in each different season. So I highly encourage you, if you feel like you're ever in a rut around photography, if you're ever looking for something new and different to do, is to go to a place you've been before, but just go in a different season. Especially the off season, the time when most people don't go, I find really interesting because there's so many different moods to explore besides, in the garden's instance, the sunny, happy flowers. There's a whole bunch of the season that gets us there, and I like showing a little bit along the way of that, especially like during winter and other seasons where it's not super sunny and flowery. So let me know what you think of this video. I'm going to be continuing doing these types of photo walk videos, POV type things. Let me know your thoughts. I greatly appreciate that. You can, leave the comment below. So I hope this video is a good reminder that even in the midst of winter, the sometimes dreary days in the Northern Hemisphere, that there's photos to be found, different textures to look for, and I hope you have fun going out there and exploring those images. So until we meet again, have fun creating photos, stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.